how to update the app Amazon Video or Amazon Prime Video. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to update the Amazon Prime Video app. Now, depending on the type of device that you have to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet and your device is also updated. Now then, to begin with, you want to open up your respective app store. As for the Android, you want to go to your respective Play Store, and as for the iOS, open up App Store. Now then, what you want to do is on the search bar, type in Prime Video and locate. After you locate the app, you want to click that up and click on the update button if you see just like mine. Now, it's going to take a while, so you have to wait patiently until it is completely updated. Once the application is updated to the latest version or updated fully, you can also try restarting your device, and that is also going to help you out update the app. So this way, you should be able to update the Amazon Prime Video app onto your device. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.